Okay, Tom, what are we doing here?
Basically, what I'm right now is I'm calculating out what I believe my pressure should be at the 25% range, 50% range, 75% range, and the 100% range. So when I change my pressures to those percentages, I should see the milliamp at 8, 12, 16, and 20.
Okay, that's
and
very
that way
good.
I can do my calibration.
So the first thing you're doing is you're gonna have you calibrated yet?
Yes, sir. I've got my range set in here.
But have you calibrated the transmitter yet? Or are you just checking it as found?
I've zeroed, and I have as far as calibration goes, I've set the range, and I verified at 4. I have the lower range value. I haven't verified the upper yet, though.
Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to before you do it, you calculate. You remember that formula that we gave you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I got it in mind.
No, don't worry about it. If you remember it and you got a way to do it, that's fine. But I want you to check it before you calibrate it. I want you to do an as found. I want you to check it. I want you to go to whatever your 25% pressure is, whatever the number is, write it down. I don't care what it is. You go to your 50% range finding and tell me whatever the milliamp is, and do the same thing at 75% and 100%. Then you will calibrate it. And then once you calibrate it and you're satisfied with the calibration, you will write those numbers as left.
Okay.
Okay, so you document the transmitter before you calibrate it, and you document the transmitter after you calibrate it. If you check the transmitter and it does not need a calibration, then do not leave an as found. And when the person, when the person looks at it, they will see that don't do an as left. When they look at it and only see an as found, they will know that you found the transmitter within tolerance of error. Okay? But
we're gonna do as left if it's as found.
it's good. Yeah.
So basically what I've done is took my span and I'm multiplying it by 25, 50, 75, and 100.
No. What's your span?
143.
Okay, yes, that's exactly what you do, Tom. You take your span, divide it by if you take your span and multiply it times 0.25, 0.50, 0.75.
That should tell me what my pressure should be at 25%.
No, but you got to add 2 because you have to add your zero. Your zero value is 2.
That's right.
If you don't add 2, it won't be right.
Okay.
Use that formula. You haven't mastered that formula yet.
Yeah, I know.
Okay?
Yep.
Good deal.